How to create a KOHO account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser, then tap on the search bar and type KOHO, then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now open up the first website, then tap on sign me up. Now enter the email address, then tap on password. Now create a password and tap on create account. Now enter the name. Now select the date of birth and tap on next. Now select the address, then tap on next. Now choose the occupation, then tap on next. Now enter the phone number, then tap on next. Now, now enter the OTP code and complete the sign in process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.